안녕하세요, welcome to Nick's Matchup. Today we're out in the forest, going for a beautiful run. And it's got me thinking of fall or autumn as we say in New Zealand and all the beautiful colours. Look, the leaves are on the ground. Oh, they're all falling off. The weather's getting a little bit colder and soon it'll be time for winter. But before it gets to winter, we need to cook some delicious bum. Bum is chestnut in Korean, and we're gonna cook some chestnut up and make a delicious dish. This is what a chestnut looks like all around Korea, right where I am now. You can see all around here. People come and pick these for free. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna buy mine from the store. So I'm gonna get home. My chestnuts are waiting at home without me having to touch the little spiky parts. All right, I'm gonna get back because I got lots of cooking to do, so see you soon.